There are frequent suggestions that I will be offered women, even teenage girls, when I complete at least one sequence of the training program I am doing, whether they see the sequences something that takes about half a year or longer than a year or several years. You see, the training program that I am doing, the expected result of it is that it will begin changing my DNA into something that is no longer human. Meaning that after I spend several years with this program, I will not be a human anymore. And I will not be a mere superhuman that is an energized human being, but I will be a different life form. I will become something that is called will, as in W-I-L. Not two L's, just one L. Will. W-I-L. It's a life form mentioned at least in two different stories, and it's basically a half elf. It is part human and part elf, but it is a life form that is more evolved than a human being. And it's like they're saying, we will give you babes only when you evolve past humanity. But you see, the stupid thing about it is obviously when I evolve past humanity, when I become a different, more evolved life form, then I will be far less attracted to human females. I guess that at that point I would like to date with women who are will also, or like half elves or full elves. But human females will be much less attractive to me than before. And I don't know if as a will I will have any desire at all to put my penis inside the human vagina. At that point, I may feel like the human race is inferior and a human female is not an attractive place to put my penis inside because I'm so much more evolved than her. So it's kinda stupid, like they were saying, you'll get human females only after you become something more than human. But if I become more than human, that at that point it's too late already. It's already too late for human females. It's time for something more evolved than human females. Either half-elf females or some kind of alien females or elven females. It means that the opportunity to be with human females is lost altogether because they insist that I'd have that I'd be allowed to date them or fuck them only when I complete some part of this training program, which will turn me into a different life form altogether. It's so stupid, I have no words. It looks like a lost opportunity, because at that point I don't know if I'll have any interest in human females anymore. I think it's irrational and stupid that the idea that to date human females I am supposed to become something that is more than human. And mind you, that this half elf I'm going to become is not going to be a mere half elf, because the training, it increases the energy. I will become a super half elf. Meaning that I will be superior not only to humans but to other half elves as well, because a half elf who is born half elf, he doesn't have this increased energy than that a person who becomes a half elf through training. And as a super half elf, you're telling me that I may still have interest in human females. Even if I do, it will be like far, far less than any interest I may show today. It will they will be looked at as inferior and far less attractive. And like I said, I'm not sure I'd like to put my penis over there any longer. Like a human wouldn't like you'd ask any male human, he wouldn't like to put his penis inside a chimpanzee or orangutan or a gorilla. Why? Because those monkeys is a lesser evolution. And once I become a half elf, I would see human beings as some form of monkeys, because they'll be less inferior to me. So what it's like, today I obviously wouldn't date a monkey. So when I become a whale person, I will have evolved past humanity, and there is no point for human females anymore. I just wanted to share those thoughts. It's been on my mind to some degree for a while now. And just I wanted to share how stupid it is to expect me to evolve past humanity just to offer human females.